It's a new 2019 Subaru WRX. Once strangers, blistering acceleration and respectable fuel economy now work together in the performance-driven WRX. It comes with all the amenities you need: manual transmission, sport suspension, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, front heated sport seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo H4 engine. Automobile reports, once you lay into the throttle and hear the turbocharger's jet-like whistle, engaging the boost becomes an itch you just love to scratch. Capable, safe, Subaru. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.